morning. Good morning to all of you. Myself, I'm teaching lecturer Mechanical Engineering Department, Government Polytechnic College, Amritsar. My topic is repair and maintenance. So, first of all, introduction. Machines, equipments, and buildings are subjected to deterioration due to their continuous use and exposure to environmental conditions. So, proper attention should be given to protect them from failure. As these machines, equipments, other plant facilities are continuously used, so due to wear and tear and other environmental conditions, uh, so they have to protect them from the failure. Maintenance may be referred as set of activities which help to keep plant machinery equipment in good working conditions. It helps in maintaining and increasing the operational efficiency of the plant facilities and thus contribute to revenue by reducing the operating cost and increasing the effectiveness of production. Thus, maintenance of facilities and equipments in good working condition is essential to achieve specified level of quality, reliability and efficient working. So, maintenance is a continuous and continuous process to obtain the optimum level of the production. So, we have to take maintenance properly of all the working facilities of the plant. So, next is repair. Every machine will require repair if it is in best design. Hence, the repair must be done at such a time when it may have least disruption. Means when the machine may repaired when it is not being used or its use may be postponed without affecting the production of whole concern. So, the repair of any machine will take when it is free from any production. Therefore, the checking of the machine is generally done when it is not in working operation, so that the defect, if any, can be immediately and easily rectified without causing extensive damage to the plant. So, when the repair of any machine can be done, uh, any defect can be uh, any defect can be seen. It can be rectified at the same time, so that the any production will not be stopped. So, the due to the development of the technology, the design of the production machines have become so much complicated in their construction and operation. These machines involve very high cost, and due to high cost, their idle or non-productive time or downtime becomes much more expensive. So, due to this reason, it becomes necessary that the plant machinery should be properly maintained. So, maintenance is very important. So, when machine is used, it is subjected to wear and tear. Hence, a proper attention should be given to protect the machine as its components and, and undue wear and tear to protect them from failure. A proper attention means proper lubrication, cleaning, timely inspection and systematic maintenance. So, maintenance can be defined as it is an effort directed towards the proper upkeep and repair of the machine, equipment and other plant facilities, which should be responsible for smooth and effective working of an industry, and it helps in increasing productivity. As the maintenance is very important, so it improves the efficiency, increase productivity, reduce the break time, and improve the economy of the plant. So maintenance can also be defined as main, systematic and scientific and systematic upkeeps of machines, equipments, and other plant facilities. In other words, maintenance may be defined as a work undertaken in order to keep or to restore every facility to an acceptable standard, and is a combination of various activities carried out to retain an item in service period or to restore it is in an acceptable condition. So many more important terms related to maintenance are maintenance engineering. Maintenance engineering involves maintenance system, maintenance planning, reliability, availability and maintainability, repair, spare part management, automation in maintenance and maintenance policies. Maintenance planning. Other important terms are maintenance planning, maintenance program, maintenance schedule, history card, facility, register, job specification, job report, downtime, overhaul, housekeeping, etc. So maintenance may be defined as systematic and scientific upkeeps of machine, equipments and other plant facilities. So importance of maintenance. There is a proper importance of maintenance at present. With the use of advanced technology and complicated processes, the maintenance become a systematic, schematic and scientific field of industrial engineering. Moreover, maintenance is responsible for smooth and efficient working of an industry and helps in improving the productivity. In the earlier time, when the technology was not developed and machining was not so sophisticated, the maintenance aspects were not so important. Now at the present time, the maintenance problem was not at that time the maintenance problem was not so important. It was because of the use of simply system in the use. Moreover, the maintenance is responsible. Now the maintenance is responsible for smooth and efficient working of an industry and helps in improving efficiency and improving the productivity. It also helps in keeping the machines in a state of maximum efficiency with economy. Helps in keeping the machines in a state of maximum efficiency with economy. The importance of maintenance engineering can be understood in the light of following aspects. So following aspects are those aspects on which shows the importance of maintenance. First one is sophisticated and complicated equipments. Nowadays, to increase the productivity as well as the quality of the product, the automation of the processes and machinery is carried out. All this requires very high investment. Due to automation, the investment is very high and sophisticated and advanced machineries. To safeguard this heavy investment made in this costly system and to prolong the useful lifespan of the plant, it is utmost important to carry out the maintenance properly. So as we know, due to development in technology, the machinery and other equipments are very high sophisticated, so their maintenance is also very necessary. So first one is So first one importance of maintenance is this. Second part is growing marketing competition. Nowadays, the it is the age of intensive competition. So due to this very high competition and very high advanced production technology, it has brought many changes in the pattern and outlook of industry. So due to development in industry and development in technology, there are very high changes in the industries. New products are continuously being developed, new techniques, new processes, new systems, new methods are being applied to get production of higher quality and higher standards. So so due to this competition, the product of high quality and high quality, high quantity is in demand. It's finally result into advanced and automated manufacturing system, which requires a planned maintenance system for the purpose of long run availability of the production system. So third one importance of maintenance is the production targets. Production targets nowadays, production target means the output. To ensure the maximum availability of each working unit in a plant, the maintenance action could be scientifically planned in conjunction with the production requirements and schedules so that the process interruption and production losses may be minimized. If it is not well planned, then inadequate emergency maintenance may lead to heavy production losses. So, to achieve these targets of production, the maintenance of all the plant facilities should be properly maintained. The fourth one is quality conscious. Nowadays, with the globalization of trade, the quality consciousness among the people are increased. Survival will be of the fittest rule here. So to keep fit all the plant equipments and machineries, maintenance engineering department becomes full responsible. Thus, maintenance engineering helps to maintain the quality of the product. Fourth one is total maintenance cost. During production, one thing is in mind, the prevention is always better than cure. So it provides easy check for an expected failure and is always available to meet the unexpected failures, which can be always available to meet an unexpected failure, which can be the tool for crisis to the management. The maintenance cost of periodic maintenance is lesser than the expenditure. So total maintenance cost is an also important aspect of the maintenance. Then sixth one is safety aspect. The maintenance is also responsible for safety. Maintenance engineering department ensure these safe working conditions in the plant by providing preventive maintenance steps at various levels. This increases the job satisfaction among the workers and better industrial relationship. This gives rise to higher production rate and better quality of the products. If the atmosphere of the industry is safety, then the worker will also interested in the job, so its job satisfaction will be very high. Next one is type of industry. Nowadays, number of types of industries are such as automobile industry, chemical industry, textile industry, electrical industry, tire industry. So these types of different industries are available in the market. In each industry, the requirements of the use of machinery and other equipments is totally based on the type of product which is going to be produced. So any industry, which type of product they are produced, so they require their types of facilities. So Different industries involves different types of machinery, plants, equipments, and other products. So, it is found that no rigid system for maintenance can be applied universally to all type of industries. So, maintenance system of different type of industry should be different because the product of all the industry are also different, and machinery, other plant facilities are also different for different industries. Therefore, a suitable maintenance system must be designed and developed to suit the requirement of the particular industry. So, these are the 7 different aspects on which the importance of maintenance is standing. So, next part is objective of maintenance. So, there are different objectives of maintenance. The first one is the prime object of maintenance is to keep fit the plant items like machinery, equipment, plant building, etc. So, maintenance is to fit all these items. Second one is to enhance the useful lifespan of the plant facilities and equipment. With the maintenance of different plant items, their lifespan also be increased. So, third one objective of maintenance is to reduce the downtime elements. When the maintenance is proper of the plant facilities, then the downtime of the uh, different machines should be reduced, and with the reduce of downtime, there is more economical to the industry, and it produce higher productivity, efficiency, and quality. The fourth one objective is to reduce the breakdown by providing periodic maintenance. With the periodic maintenance, it is pre-planned. When the maintenance of the industry facilities are pre-planned, so there are number of breakdowns should be reduced. Fifth one is to reduce the frequency of major overhaul of the plant facilities. Sixth one is to ensure the operational readiness of the plant facilities or equipment. With the maintenance, the readiness of all the operational system should be proper ready. Seventh one is to ensure the safe working conditions of the equipment or plant. When the working conditions of the equipment or plant should be safe, then the workers also have job satisfaction. So they have more interest in working, and it helps in increasing efficiency and reduce the breakdown time. Eighth one is to cut down the total maintenance cost. The objective of maintenance is also to reduce the maintenance cost. When the maintenance cost of industry is also reduced, then the economy should be created in the production. Next one is to bring the wastages and scrap minimum and bring quality control. So, maintenance also involves in scrap minimization and wastages, and it improves the quality of the product. Next one is it increases the productivity of the plant. The productivity of plant is also increased. Next one is to achieve the production targets. To improve the production targets, the maintenance is also necessary. It also reduces the severity of the expected failure. The next one is to meet the emergency maintenance, which is the tool for crisis management. Next one is to install and maintain the safety devices to prevent accidents, enhance to reduce the plant risk factor. Next one is to facilitate the production process by providing healthy and hygienic condition to the workers by having a control on pollution factor using proper housekeeping. The next one is to improve the plant profitability and plant productivity. So overall, the main objective of the maintenance is to keep fit the plant items, to improve the lifespan of the machinery, and to improve the productivity, to reduce the downtime period, and to reduce the efficiency, effectiveness, and other facilities. So this is the next one is different types of maintenance. Generally there are different various types of maintenance, but basically this is divided into main two categories. First one is conventional maintenance and second one is unconventional maintenance. So we are firstly deal with conventional maintenance methods. So conventional maintenance method, in these methods the maintenance method in which the simple general machines and tools are be used to complete the maintenance work is known as conventional maintenance method. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਮੈਥਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿੰਪਲ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਸ ਟੂਲਸ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮਸ਼ੀਨਸ ਦੀ ਜਾਂ ਪਲਾਂਟ ਫੈਸਿਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਦੀ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨਲ ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਮੈਥਡ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ conventional maintenance method is further divided into two parts: planned maintenance and unplanned maintenance method. So second one is non-conventional maintenance method. Non-conventional maintenance method is latest approach toward the maintenance work. With the advancement of technology in the industry and maintenance facilities, maintenance work and mostly used where the most modern machines and equipments are being used to produce products in the industry. In the non-conventional maintenance method, it requires higher costly and modern fault finding and diagnosing equipment or tools to carry out the maintenance task, and it is not possible by means of simple tools or equipments. Non conventional maintenance method ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੋ advanced tools machines ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਮੇਨਟੇਨੈਂਸ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨਲ ਮੈਥਡ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ, ਉਹ ਅਸੀਂ ਅਨਕਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨਲ ਜਾਂ ਨੋਨ ਕਨਵੈਂਸ਼ਨਲ ਮੈਥਡ ਨਾਲ ਨਵੀਂ ਟੈਕਨੀਕ ਨਾਲ ਹਾਈਅਰ ਕਾਸਟ 'ਤੇ ਪੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. By using non-conventional methods, the fault finding process becomes so easy and quick that they can save lot of non-productive time. So with this technology, the non-productive time is reduced. Sometimes without stopping the production line, it is also possible to diagnose such type of faults which can happen in coming time and can corrected in advance. So we can advancedly correct the problem. So non-conventional methods are initially costly due to higher cost. So these methods are very highly costed, higher cost for equipment, and but they are very cheap in the long run because the cost of higher production. Next part is, so we are now deal with conventional maintenance method. First one is planned maintenance. In planned maintenance, the maintenance action which is carried out with some forethoughts, prior planning, record keeping and control actions is called planned maintenance. So planned maintenance, it is a foresight planning. Planned maintenance method, these are of two type. First one is preventive and second one is corrective. Second B part is unplanned maintenance. These are of emergency maintenance, breakdown maintenance, running maintenance, and next one is shutdown maintenance and unconventional maintenance method, which are, so first one is preventive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is defined as any performed performed in an attempt to keep a machine facility in specified operating condition by means of systematic inspection, detection, and prevention of beginning of failure. The basic principle involved in this system is prevention is better than cure. So the primary aim of preventive maintenance is to check and prevent the minor or major breakdown of a plant facility or equipment. It includes the inspection, lubrication, adjustments, servicing. In other words, the preventive maintenance is an anticipation of the failure and then adoption of necessary preventive action before the occurrence of the failure. So second one is the corrective maintenance or breakdown maintenance. The corrective maintenance occurs when there is a work stoppage because of machine breakdown. When there is a breakdown in any machine, the work is stopped, and at that time the maintenance which we need, that is called corrective or breakdown maintenance. In this sense, the maintenance becomes repair work. When the breakdown of the machinery take place, then the repair of that machine will be done. The maintenance department inspect the equipment, locates the faults and make the necessary repairs. After removing the repair faults, the maintenance engineer does not attend the equipment until another breakdown occur. So when any breakdown occurs, the maintenance engineer come and give the repair to the machine. The breakdown maintenance policy may work good and is feasible to small factories where there are few types of machines or equipment. The machines are simple, which do not requires any specialization, and where sudden failure does not cause any serious financially loss. So this type of maintenance is done at the time when the breakdown take place, and and after that the repair of the machine take into action. Next one is the scheduled maintenance. The scheduled maintenance has provisions for inspections, overhauling, lubrication, and servicing of certain machines at predetermined dates. The frequency of maintenance job is predetermined, and the schedule of maintenance work is also made in advance. It is a compromise between breakdown maintenance and corrective maintenance. So next one maintenance is condition based maintenance. In this system, the condition of machine is monitoring by several means. The sensors sensor may be installed on machine. The deviation from normal behavior is recorded. When the machine is in the running condition, the deviation is analyzed to determine where the problem is developing and when it will become serious. Accordingly, the necessary decision is taken regarding maintenance. So when the machine is in proper use, proper and continuous use, there are wear and tear and exposure to environment, there is some deterioration in the machine. So accordingly the necessary decision is taken regarding maintenance work. So next part is nature of